Hi. When you're setting up Premiere, one of the first things you have to do is set up a scratch disk. And a scratch disk is a place where all of your temporary files go. So I have Premiere open up here, and this is a 2018 version. So yours may look a tiny bit different, but it should look generally the same. So when you are starting out a new file, you go to New Project, and it's going to come up with this preview window which says New Project, and you want to give it a name. So I'm going to call this tutorial, and you have to choose a location. And so I'm going to browse and go to my location where I want to have my files. So tutorials, Premiere, and what you're going to do is set up a scratch disk folder. And in this folder, you are going to have all of your preview files for this particular project. So you do select folder, and you see that it's reset the location to this particular folder, and then everything else can stay the same. You don't have to change anything. Then you say OK, and it will set up your workspace, just like you see here. It should be in editing, but in case it's not, you go to Window, Workspaces, and Editing. You can do Reset to save layout, and this should be how it looks. Or you'll see this row of workspaces at the top, and you can click here and do Reset to save layout, or just click on the Editing tab. Once you're inside here, you've got a bunch of windows. Down here is where we import our video files. This is our timeline where we can edit and organize our films. This is the output from the timeline, this program window here. And up here is where we can see our clips. And so we can best organize our clips together. And that's what we're going to start doing in the next video.